Hello once again, programmers, and welcome back to my Java learning tutorials. First off, we're going to be learning about if, else, and else-if statements, and a few other things like being a president, but that's not important. But before I did this video, I was looking at how to make 3D games in Java, and it was by this one guy. I don't remember his name. Oh my god, he freaked my mind. He blew it and spit it out. It was atrocious. I don't even want to go over it. But let's start off. I wanted to show you my game real quick. So, run as. Oh, come on. Come on, Java. There we go. See, remember last time it was just a white screen? But yeah, I got like, this is the first level. I haven't got further yet, but yeah, it's looking pretty good. Oh. I might get addicted to this. You never know. Alright, well. So that's my game so far. And we're going to learn about if, else, and else-if. So I made a class for us. It's called the person class. They have an age, a name, and a location boolean. Which the boolean just means, are they in the United States? Because we're going to be testing if these people are, if they could be president. So I have three of them right here. I have Bob, Steve, and Steven. Which these are pretty close. I mean, they're like the same exact person except for the age, but that doesn't really matter right now. So what we're going to do is if p1 dot age is less than 35, because I think you have to be 35 to be president. I don't remember, but it's probably pretty close. So then I already copied this from the last trying to do this tutorial. So if you're less than 35, this is the condition. If your age, if your age is less than 35, you're not president. So now we're just going to copy this so to make up from lost time. So and just make this one P2, P2 and P3. Now let's test it. So it's testing the age right now. Hold on. Why didn't it run? Hold on for a second. Alright, I'm back. For some reason, I guess I can't have static up here, so I thought I had to, I guess not, so just remove the static ones up here. Let me. There. Now, let's test it. And boom. So the first two are not going to be president. They're not of age. So that's how you use an if. Now let's try to use an else if. So else if, which you got to space these out. So else if, this is basically saying if this ain't true, go on to this one, and then check if this one's true. So if the age is not right, which from here on I'm just going to do 1, so it's easier. So I'm going to get rid of these two. So, just wanted to get rid of that. So p1 dot name. Actually, why did I put name in here? Oh, well, that's to describe the person. I don't need to check that. So p1 boolean. It's not boolean. Location. And then if, and this is the two equal signs, this means, hey, compare this to this, which we're going to put true in there. So if it's true, then we're going to do this. Hold on. Just get rid of this, and you're president, I guess. So this ain't true, but it's going to go on to this, so it's going to say you're a president. Not a president. What? Oh yeah, that is true. Sorry. Let's up his age. Let's go to like 36. So that's not going to be true anymore, and then it's going to go to this. So you're a president. All right. So that's else if. Now, what if else? So what if both these weren't true? So we would put else and then do that. So, and let's just copy this so I can make up for time. Copy, paste, and we're going to put not a president. So not a president. So else, so if both of these are not true, yeah, you're not a president. So let's try that out. But let's test if it's false, just to show you that it would go back to. Actually, let's get rid of the first one so I could show you just else and if. So remove this. So now we have if, and if this is not true, and else. So let's try it out. So if it's false, which it's true, but see, it went directly from this to this. Now, that's how you do if, else if, and if. And this also works if you put it at the end of all the else ifs and ifs. But that's all I wanted to get in today. Next time I'm going to talk about more advanced stuff and if and else. So stick around and I'll talk about that later. So see you soon.